Designing customer-centric experiences. A customer-centric experience means putting the customer at the heart of everything you do as a business. It's about deeply understanding their needs, wants, pain points, and expectations, and then designing every interaction and touchpoint with the customer in mind to not only meet but exceed those expectations. It's about building a culture where customer satisfaction is paramount. A customer-centric approach is crucial for long-term business success. It leads to increased customer loyalty, as satisfied customers are more likely to return and make repeat purchases. It generates positive word-of-mouth referrals, which are incredibly powerful and cost-effective. It results in a higher customer lifetime value, as loyal customers contribute more revenue over time. In today's competitive landscape, a focus on customer experience provides a significant competitive advantage. And finally, customer centricity builds a stronger brand reputation, making your business more attractive to potential customers and employees. Building a customer-centric strategy involves several key elements. First and foremost, you must deeply understand your customer. This includes their demographics, psychographics, needs, motivations, and preferred communication channels. Next, you need to map the customer journey, visualizing all the touchpoints a customer interacts with your brand. Personalizing the experience based on individual customer preferences and needs is crucial. Providing excellent customer service at every interaction is essential. Finally, a commitment to continuous improvement, constantly seeking feedback and refining the customer experience, is vital. Understanding your customer requires a multifaceted approach. Conduct thorough market research to gather insights into your target audience. Use surveys to collect direct feedback from customers. Actively solicit customer feedback through various channels, such as social media and email. Leverage data analytics to understand customer behavior and preferences. Create detailed customer personas to represent your ideal customers and help personalize interactions. Mapping the customer journey involves visualizing all the touchpoints a customer interacts with your brand, from initial awareness to post-purchase engagement. This process helps identify pain points in the customer experience and pinpoint opportunities for improvement. It allows you to see the customer experience from their perspective and identify areas where you can add value. Personalizing the experience means tailoring interactions and offers to individual customer preferences and needs. This can be achieved by using data and technology to understand customer behavior, track their preferences, and deliver personalized recommendations, content, and offers. Providing excellent customer service is paramount. This includes offering prompt, helpful, and empathetic support across all channels, including phone, email, chat, and social media. Empowering employees to resolve customer issues quickly and efficiently is crucial for creating positive customer experiences. A commitment to continuous improvement is essential for maintaining a customer-centric approach. This involves regularly collecting customer feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media monitoring. Tracking key metrics, such as CSAT, NPS, and customer churn rate, and using data-driven insights to make informed decisions about how to improve the customer experience. True customer centricity requires more than just implementing strategies, it requires creating a customer-centric culture within the organization. This means embedding customer centricity into the company's core values and beliefs. Empowering employees at all levels to prioritize customer needs and make decisions that benefit the customer. It's about making customer centricity part of the DNA of the organization. Building a customer-centric experience presents several challenges. Data privacy and security are paramount, requiring businesses to be responsible and transparent with customer data. Integrating various systems to create a seamless customer experience can be complex. Measuring the ROI of customer experience initiatives can be challenging. And perhaps the biggest challenge is changing organizational culture to truly embrace customer centricity. To summarize, designing customer centric experiences means putting the customer at the heart of everything you do. It requires a deep understanding of the customer, mapping the customer journey, personalizing the experience, providing excellent customer service, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By prioritizing the customer, businesses can achieve increased customer loyalty, generate positive word of mouth, and build a strong and reputable brand.